Hi everyone, John here. So let's talk about security. Security in my house consists of an alarm system that I have, monitored every window and door in the house, and also video in the front and the back. And my video choice used to be drop cam, but now it's Nest. But I found that they're quite expensive, so I ended up using the Ring video doorbell. And I'm in the back door right now. And right now I've got a Ring video doorbell, and this is the battery operated one. I don't have to wire it to anything. It just is really cool. It just stays on here and will monitor everything in my backyard. I'm gonna go ahead and switch this out right now, and you can actually, this is what you see right now. I've got the Ring video doorbell, and it just looks out my backyard, and I have a screen that comes down, and those are automatic. So it will see through that screen, no problem during the day. But what's really cool about this Ring video doorbell, I can just take it off, and it's got a battery backup. So right in the back, I've got a micro USB that I can charge. It takes a long time to charge because this charge is supposed to last 6 months. Does it really last 6 months? No, lasts about probably 3 to 4 months, but not a big deal. I get an alert on my phone, and I can just go ahead and charge it, and it's not really a problem at all. It senses motion. You can set zones, and it's really cool that way. So I can set the field of zone, so how sensitive it is. I can set it will see at night, so there'll be no problem seeing everything at night. And it also works as a doorbell, so you can press it and it will be your doorbell. So I found this is they've got other options for backdoor lighting, backdoor cameras, but I found this was the smallest, so I kind of like that because it was small. They also have a Ring camera that it just sticks off the wall. It's a little it's nice, but they just a little larger than I wanted. So you can have the Ring video doorbell in the eaves of your house with lights, and that is really cool. I didn't choose to do that because I want visibility in a certain area, so it wasn't something that was necessary for me, but I do like that, you have all these options. They call it the Ring of Security, so you can just kind of go around and do that. So let's go look at the front door. Okay, so video security. Now I'm at the front door. Here we are. So this is the Ring Video Pro. Now this has 4 interchangeable plates, so I can just take a plate off. It's really, really cool. And you can just go ahead and see how good that is. It's a really nice, clean installation. The one thing I did have to do was put a power brick on it, which isn't very secure if you think about it. I did put one, and it can go inside or outside. You're going to need an external power brick to go ahead and power this, because this one doesn't have a battery backup. My particular house does not have a doorbell, so I had to put external power to it. So it was really cool. So like I said, when you come in, you got the video which tells you if a package has been left. I get an alert on my phone. That's really cool. But I didn't just come to talk just about the Ring video doorbell, which I do love, because it is really good. The front door key lock, so you can go ahead, and I've had Bluetooth locks, and where you just come up and your phone unlocks it. However, where sometimes it would work and sometimes it just wouldn't catch your Bluetooth. So I ended up just going with a regular keypad, and you can have a guest code, you can have anything. If you lose your key, it's not a problem, or you need to have somebody come in. But I do have a backup alarm system, so you think that might not be secure enough. You have a backup alarm system that is on and into the network as well. And you can use ADT, you can use so many other companies that have backup alarms. So I like to have something that looks really good, so I have a nice keypad inside. I usually just tell my alarm to arm with Google Home or the Mini, or I just go and use Amazon Echo, and just tell it to arm. But as for disarming, we use the app mostly. Just go ahead and go in the app, and disarm your alarm when you come in. The other great thing is text messages. When you get text messages when somebody comes to clean your house, you have the cleaning lady clean your house, you have somebody come in, you can give them a separate code, and they will go ahead and be able to, you'll get a text message that they entered your house. You know exactly what's going on. You can check the video and see who was here. So that's really cool. Okay, so you really need to embrace security. Again, this is an alarm system. You need to have video in the front. You need to have everything connected to the internet. You need to have a front door that is connected. You want to be able to have access to your house all the time. Cameras make an important function of that, because that's the most important thing you can do, is have video surveillance, I think. As you know, alarm system is good, but alarm system can be defeated, front door can be broken into, but if you have a monitored alarm system along with video, you know exactly what's happening with your house 24 hours a day, and that is really important. And now you could choose to have cameras inside the house or outside the house. The best is more cameras, the better. You want to have every angle of the house covered. So I like the ring of security analogy, that you want to have the full 360 view of your house at all times, and have that connected so that, you know, if you're like me and you have your phone with you all the time, you can go ahead and get messages and get alerts all the time. So that helps when you have things that you want to protect. So you want to protect people, you want to protect your pets, you want to protect your investments. So that's very, very important. The other thing you might want to think of doing is your smoke detectors, have those connected and things like that. But let's go ahead and see what some fun automation is with the alarm. So let's go ahead and arm the alarm. Hey Google, tell alarm.com to arm.
Okay, let's get alarm.com. Okay, arming stay your security system.
Okay, so now everything is go ahead and it just went ahead and armed, and that's really cool because you can have it all tied together, and that's what you want. So if you leave the house, you have everything under video surveillance and security everywhere. So I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any ideas on how I can even do better at monitoring my system. I'll take care. I'll talk to you later. I do these videos weekly. Please leave your comments and be sure to hit that bell so you get a subscription based and I can sit there and do more videos for you. Take care. Thanks.